place here in the showroom. It is 38 Park Avenue in partnership with the NUD, the Japanese investors. Mauna na akong partners for the phase 2 of 28 Park Avenue, which will be here exactly where we are right now. Very phase 2.
Phase 2 of 38 Park.
Okay, so here in Cebu, IT Park is considered to be the most expensive location. Because and in Cebu, #1 most expensive location. So meaning to say, if your buyers will invest here, no, musaka paspas ang acquisition value sa ilahang property. Okay, so maybe you have prospects in mind. Ato silang pagtanawan sa 38 Park. Okay?